In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a payment provider in Odoo for your website checkout. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a payment method visible at checkout and ready for a quick test, so you can confidently accept orders online. Let's get started right inside Odoo. First, log into your Odoo account with a user that has access to the website app and configuration settings. Having the right access ensures you can make and publish changes without running into permission issues. Once you're in, open the website app. From there, head to Configuration, then select Payments. This is the central place where Odoo lists all available payment methods and providers for your website. Think of it as your control panel for enabling how customers can pay. Next, click Create to add a new payment method. If you already see the provider you want in the list, you can simply open it instead of creating a new one. Either option works. The goal is to define how the method appears and which provider it uses. In the form, enter a clear payment method name. This is what customers will see at checkout, so keep it simple and recognizable like Pay by Card or PayPal. Then choose the provider from the dropdown. Odoo supports common providers such as PayPal, Stripe, and Cash on delivery. Selecting the right provider tells Odoo how to handle the payment behind the scenes while your customers see a friendly label up front. Before you move on, enable the method by turning on the published option. Publishing makes the method visible on your live checkout. If it's not published, it will stay hidden from customers, which is helpful for drafts but not for going live. Now click Save. With the method saved and published, it's time to verify everything works as expected. Open your website storefront, add a product to the cart, and proceed to checkout. You should see the payment method with the name you entered earlier. Go through a quick test to confirm it appears correctly and that the checkout flow continues after you select it. If you don't see the method, refresh the checkout page, confirm it's saved and published, and make sure you're testing on the correct website. If you manage multiple sites, it can also help to use a private browser window to avoid cached settings. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to payments, created or selected a provider, named it, published it, saved your changes, and tested it on your website. You're all set to accept payments in Odoo.